Welcome to official SL TV channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share my video and press the red button. Please help me to share my video.
Me family in Sierra Leone and the diaspora on a good day. Today the 25th, or would they say 25 November 2024. Today I share with you the communique where the government of Sierra Leone and Liberia been do on the visit of the Liberian President Joseph Njuma Boakai, where been come to Salon from the 18th to 21st, we make a return. Yesterday I talked to one about this misinformation where they go on social media. The way man are people to trumpet this issue say in Kawan based on the peaceful transfer of Marabio for lay and over power to Los Samuel Kamara, where I've been come a challenge and I try for ring the bell to the APC party itself, and also the one itself where they very close to Los Samuel Kamara, when themselves come out and make things them clear to the people. We not deserve again for the gets information where they just come no can scare people them, then they just go away like that. It's time now, I believe, so for the coil down this issue, for the happen. We for the behave not like civilized people. Not for the come all the time, they can't speak lies, can't talk things that we don't get for happen. In the way of saying we lack or with the support. It's bad and absurd. I've been promised when I say if it come to my own domain, it come to my own desk, I go share them with you now. And indeed, I don't get the communique. I read them, I go through them over and over. I don't see nothing like that for say they come where the Liberian President come, and for they come advise or tell Madabio for let Madabio do a peaceful transition of power to Samuel Kamara. It's wrong. It's wrong. What would they can say this when I go film up or say would they come for try for sideline the truth or try for they against somebody? That's not the issue now. They ridicule the party in progress. They put me to the limelight of untruthfulness. Now this now I see for they against. What you can't talk and they say this now. Who can't talk? Now APC person. Who can't talk? Now APC person. Let's try for differentiate now from the real APC talk man them. And the one way it be say, then just they come for come fan praise. Where it be say you look at them, you know how to talk. It's high time now we need now to distinguish ourselves from these people. Otherwise, they will take we all, bunch we together, and push we at the same boat. We will not belong here anymore. It's not timely. It's not timely. If I didn't so angry, I want for it. They tell me say rest in a fire side. I get hope. Once you tell me say rest in a fire side, I get hope. They cannot say they can't eat. Not knowing that, even put the pot safe in a fire. With all me hope say rest in a fire side, I can't eat. I would sustain me angry small. Then later on, I can't understand. I say, even make fire itself for put the pot in a fire. Tell me what will be my own hope. How I will feel. Now, in tell like the way man, how some of them they talk to people. Then they can talk to somebody, give them that full hope, give them the confidence. In the end, the person not can see what you tell them. Now don't want to make you waiting. I don't want to make you waiting. You ask yourself now, you make you do this act for say, like I can just come talk no more, something they can bring hype, can shake people with them heart. Then in the end, what you can't talk, can happen at all. Tell me how you say it, you self will do how you will feel. How you will feel. This thing is too much. Even though we want change, we don't want matter be for like day. But it don't mean say they can't lie by ourselves because of that. No, we stand against this. Down this audio, I don't want to talk much. Let me read the communique. What when I read, I'm going to go understand. In fact, the first paragraph of this communique, the man, he come and shower praise to Madabio. They congratulate him. The second paragraph again, he talk about their progress, how they do them ties them, then do them businesses in the sub-region between the two countries. Talking about agriculture, and security. The other paragraph says, once they mention the word self, a peaceful transition of power. Now, because of the ECOWAS may stand firm for strengthening that particular move there, for say any election take place, therefore do a peaceful transition so that we will maintain peace, security, and oneness, quietness in the region. Now that's the measure part they communicate. You know, can't tell nobody now for say how the man come. You can't tell matter the say if you hand over power to Samura Kamara. It is not there. Now they can share out now the communicate. Make una hear for ourselves. You know, even if for the heart we aid up at this thing. Like I said yesterday, anything will come up from the party, una can talk am. It come up from Samura Kamara, una can talk am. But if I don't get no source from the people there, they will left for the can't studentalize them. They can't begin to talk to people like say now they, you know, it's bad. Me, if I don't get information from the party, and then they can't talk to nobody, just because of I assume or that's what I think or I feel saying my opinion, I can just spill them out. If I don't get any information from Dr. Samura Kamara in domain, I will not say anything. I not go talk nothing because I know say you not come up from them. Not to me they can make up the story, or I can't build up story just because of how people are make get me or make I gain attention. Because that's what you look like. Now attention seeking moves that one day. So let we seize. It's enough. It's enough. How on earth people that they struggle, they strand, they labor hard. The country is not easy. Things don't go the right way. We want a change. We don't want to continue for the debate until they say the time done. No, that's not our wish. But you know, mean say we for use that advantage for can begin the country people which is not right, which is not true. We they box up the thinking, we they box up their feelings, we they box up their hearts. How long will they continue for do the same thing? Me self once if I blink, you know, if I trick me hide and self, I don't want to see self see them why they didn't have power. Oh yes. But it means say I forgo make up story, I can't lie by you. Forgo build up stories, I can't lie by you.
So I do not listen.
So I shout now the communicate below this audio and right up. They could self read for ourselves and see. If now which they go and trumpet so pap all over the media if now in the day. They only mention the word peaceful transition of power. Any way election get for happen. Because of we need peace and the region, we don't want to scarce. Because if they vote for you, win an election, they could also thief the election when they don't win them. They continue for the day. If they bring out Kuskas, if not that we get somebody way peaceful like to Samura Kamara, like that hour there now, so for them a devastating motion. Now we decide for say for fight here, not require bottles, cutlass, knives, or bullets. They believe in your mighty pen and paper. Now that make a feel like how they so. Now that make a feel like how they so. But if not be any other country where gets leader, where here they get figo, like they how they accept salon from the different level. Yes, because if we stand and fight robustly, the means say most of you believe say for me the rightful means. We say by the gun, we go by the gun. We say by the blow, go by the blows. We say by the bullet, go by the bullets. If not any other country get a kind of leader, like that one they are so salon for no na a different level. But because in choose for say they want to do without peaceful means, with dialogue, pen and paper, and they could do like how they should like it today. So for stop all that one day, and that make the president of Liberia, how that topic they for say the ECOWAS region for let the peace and security continue for the remain. That peaceful transition of power now for they happen. If they vote now any given elections, let it be say if now you then vote against, you go shuffle, you hand over. If now you then vote for, you receive them. Now that advice deep and the communicate. You know, can't tell nobody say let matter be come hand over power to Samura Kamara. Or A country matter be say if we do a peaceful transition of power. No left for the upside down the English language. No left for the upside down the grammar. Please. So I don't want to say much about this. Just as I was saying yesterday, if you don't get any information from the party hierarchy, you don't get any information from Samara Kamara in your own party, because now so things will happen now. The party gets you information, or Samara Kamara gets you information. This not only happen now. Not now it starts. Will the party come and say something? Then in the other hand, will the irrigation Samara Kamara self can't say the other thing. Now so we see now it happen. Although me, Malam, I be there against that completely, because I don't want different information. Let's get one message for give out to the people. But where the party will don't sit down, mobilize, counter statement, you will see another different one come out again from the domain of Samara Kamara. Now so we see things, then they go. We don't talk. You go really say where the party make a publication or a statement when I go really back tomorrow and say now other different one back Samara Kamara don't go pull under. When I go really say the party don't go do under so thing under. When I go really back say Samara don't go do that thing under. This no go move as a party. If we mean them, we ready for be one as a political party, then we for speak in one voice. We information for be one. The sentence, the grammar, everything for be one. So there, when I go share, make I just end and because this me angel here, they, they pa roaming out in sound, and now it obstruct the message. So make I left and make una continue for this share. I'm out and it reached to the one way I believe she not get the understanding of how things that happen on the visit of the Liberian President and the Republic of Sierra Leone. That man they say we can say what force them talk para communicate themselves. We even tell you say he even gets that temerity today for country matter be for like he do a peaceful transition. Because now so praise them in shower to the man. Let us and it's very deceptive. Now make us say, let us left for the scare people left, because we can't talk something unnecessary. If they can't scare the grassroots, if they box up their minds, what would they gain? What would they gain? What would they gain? How long by this thing? You do so now, bro. If something happen, it happen. If it not happen, don't make up story. Don't not build up story. You not go take we nowhere. So please, today, like I say, the 25th of November, 2024. Una feel free for share. Malam.